Alrighty, so I'm actually going to split this video into two parts because I went to make the video and I tried to skip around a lot and make it short, and it got really, really long, and I felt like I needed to show you more examples. So I'm going to give you one video, and we'll have you take a little break, maybe get up, go get a drink of water, something like that, and then come back and finish it, because I really do want to work as many as I possibly can with you. So this is topic 2, factoring by grouping. Hopefully you've turned that in your notes packet. We're going to start with just a review of topic 1. So factoring by taking out the greatest common factor. I'm going to explain this a little bit differently than I have in the past because of what's coming. So on number 1, I'm going to look at my two terms. I have a term here and a term here. And I'm going to decide what is similar between both that I can take out. Well, they both have an x, right? That's going to get taken out. Between 8 and 4, there's a hidden 4 in there that can be taken out between both. And then y and y squared, there's a y in there that can be taken out. So when I do that, what goes in the parentheses is what's left over. So the y got taken out, the x got taken out. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Plus, this term, 4 got taken out, x got taken out. One of the y's did, so plus y. And there's my answer. Okay, same with number 2. I look at my two pieces, and I take out the greatest common factor. So in this case, 9m squared. That was what was in common between both. Open up my parentheses, and the 9 was gone, m squared was gone, so I've got m minus. 9 was taken out, m squared was taken out. All that's left really is a 1 there, right? You're not just going to put nothing. It's not like you took it all away, because you have to think about working this back the other way, right? If I started multiplying it back this way, if I didn't have the 1 there, I would not get this original problem here, okay? Number 3, again, I look to see. Okay, so on number 3, we have 4 terms this time, but I still want to make sure that whatever I take out is common between all 4 terms. You can't just do one or the other. So I look and I see they're all divisible by 4, and they all have a t squared in them, right? So I'm going to take out 4 from 36, it gives me 9. T squared from T5 gives me t to the 3rd, plus 10t squared, minus 40t, minus, minus 5. Okay? Now, look at this bottom row. It's written a little bit differently. I still have a binomial here. Look back at number 1. Number 1 was a binomial, right? I'll erase all my writing on it, okay? Number 1 was a binomial. I had 2 terms. Well, I still have 2 terms. Now, within my term, I also have a binomial, which is kind of confusing, but I still just have 2 things, right? Go back to the number 1. I took out x from both because they both had that in common, right? I took out y from both because they both have it in common. Look at number 4. What do they both have in common? P plus z. So just like I did before, I'm going to write that first on the outside, then I'm going to open up my parentheses. Well, up here on number 1, what did I do? When I took it out, I wrote down what I had left over here and here. Well, what do I have left over? X. What do I have left over? 6. Okay. Now I will say, you're going to go back and add parentheses here just because it's a binomial, but it's the exact same process. Okay. So again, notice the part they had in common came first, and what was left over is here and here. So let's try it on 5. The part they have in common, what's left over? I cannot even remotely read that, so I'm guessing that's a W. I don't know. It's hard to see on my board up here. Maybe it's a, I don't know. Hope it's a W. And put this in parentheses, call it a day. So try 6 really fast. Pause it if you need to. Okay, what do they have in common? M plus 10. Now I will say this one's backwards, but it's still m plus 10, right? When you add 3 plus 2, it's still 5 if you do 2 plus 3. So m plus 10 comes out first. What's left over? BC minus 5. Okay? How's that for a short video, right? Pretty pumped about that. So go ahead, take a break, go to the bathroom, do something, get up, walk around, and then go ahead and start video 2.